Hello everyone, it's Terry, the chemistry guys. Okay, here's again. Today I'm gonna run you through the basic experiment about the calibration curve. And in this experiment, you will need the Spectronic 20D plus. It is the spectrophotometer, okay? And the way to use this one, pretty simple. First one up, you turn this machine on, this one, okay? Turn on and warm up maybe 15 minutes or more, okay? And the second one, set up the wavelength, which is going to be this knob right here. And in this particular experiment, we're going to set up at 447 nanometers, okay? And to make sure before you're setting up that, you need to get the filter right, okay? Anything below than 599 or 600 to the left. Anything above from there, 600 to 950, you swing to the right. This case, we're gonna use 447 nanometer. Okay, this knob, wavelength. So basically you just click it, increasing right, clockwise, okay? And there, 442, 45, 46, 47, right there. If you got too much, you just counterclocks, either way, okay? Just about there. 447, 447, about there. Got it, okay? So a little bit more. Okay, and the first step is you need to select 0% transmittance right here then, right? So practically you're gonna use this one. You see the curve, 0%. So you just do clockwise to decrease. Okay, let's say transmittance. So practically we're gonna set the blanking step, okay? Got it, about there. 0.1 should be fine too then, but you wanna be very accurate. You might try to go to 0.00, something right here. And next step, in this case, we're gonna do the absorbance, okay? We're gonna try the absorbance value, which is not the transmittance, according to the Beer's law, okay? The mode, right? Hit the mode, go to the absorbance, okay? Remember, the things we're gonna measure always against the blank. This case, I have this DI, okay? It's clear. This is gonna be my blank. Before you're doing that, you wipe down with the Kim wipe. Try to get all the smudge oil from your hands, okay? Make sure it's clean, okay? And maybe about 3/4 minimum full into that cuvette. Make sure the cuvette, okay? Not any test tube. And the reason is, this one is very, very detailing and very, very precise because the dimension, the length and the thickness of this cuvette, and very expensive too, okay? Okay, drop into the chamber. You might keep it consistent way, it's up to you then. I always point toward me then, okay? All the way down and closing, you might see it. And next, we need to set this blank into 0, right? This time, not this knob now then. Since we're blanking in the first one, transmitting, right? Absorbance, we're gonna use this one. You might do counterclockwise slowly. You see? I do the clockwise slowly. And you need to set the blanking at 0, 0, 0, okay? Okay, let's do it. Crank it up. A little bit more. Oh, too much. So basically, if you do the counterclocks too much, you just go the other way then, okay? Clockwise. 2, 1. Oh, a little more if you want to be very precise. Okay, ready to go, right? So the blank, everything is being preset, calibrate to the noise ratio then, okay? I put the blank away. Same thing, this is my known values. I try to get the numbers. Drop it in, close the chamber, and let's see how it goes. So that's my reading, but according to this, 0.702. And look at this. So we have that concentration at the certain wavelength, and this time it's going to be 0.702. Okay? And that's it for today. Make sure the calibration curve, anything with the instrumentation, you need to do the validation and quality check and run the machine before you measuring it, okay? All right, guys, good luck. Bye-bye now.